Everything begins from one source, though it appears in many forms. Different shapes, different motions, all responding to the same norm. What seems divided on the surface shares a deeper common ground. Each expression speaks one language when awareness turns around.
Nothing stands against another, nothing truly stands apart. All things translate into each other through the pattern at the start. What I see as contrast softens when I look a little deeper. Opposition fades to relation as meaning becomes clearer. Each condition holds a connection, each experience has a link. What appears a separation changes with the